All right, so I'm in ELKTON, Maryland still. Got another call for a no start. But this one's kind of weird, I think. You'll see when I get out of the truck. But his lights are flashing. Unless he's got his hazards on. I don't know, the marker lights are flashing too. So we're gonna get out here and check it out and see what's going on with it. Get a voltage on the batteries. The reason why I get voltage on the batteries to see if that's actually needs a jump start or not. Usually if they're idle at 12.6, unless the draw power is weak, then I don't know, it'll need a jump start or something. So I'm gonna get out here and check it out. Get my gloves on. See what's going on with it. Unless they got these Freightliners now and they got the hazards on, the markers gonna come on and off. Unless his volts are really that low. That could be it too. But we'll find out. But as you see, the top markers are flashing along with it. Driver's not around right now, so. Man, they look like regular buyers too. No AGMs. All right, let's get a reading on this thing. See what we got going on. It's at 12, 12.4, 12. Kind of up here. Let's see what it sounds like. Looks like he's got a problem with his power cutoff flashing on and off. It's probably not going to be a no. This power cutoff is flashing on and off. Let me put the jump box on and see what happens. Usually when the lights start flashing or something like that, it's could be a chassis module issue or something. Or else this power cutoff is electronic. If that's failing, he ain't gonna. Well, let's see if this puts light on, so it, even though the batteries are reading 12, should be some power to it. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I didn't think so. What's up? How long these lights been flashing, man?
Shit, as long as I've been to the truck, probably about an hour.
Yeah, well, I don't think it's a jump start. You got your power cutoff here, it's flashing on and off. And usually your markers don't be flashing on and off along with it. You took a measurement of the volts, you're at 12 volts. I mean,
the reason it's not starting though.
No, I know. I mean, that could be an issue, a chassis issue or something.
Chassis issue?
Or it could be your power cutoff. This is electronic.
Right.
So if this is failing, it's not going to engage.
Okay.
First time I've ever seen one flash, but when it's flashing, you got an issue.
Okay.
So you can't fix it. You can't bypass it.
Okay.
So that's what it's looking like. You're not camera shy, are you?
Not at all.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's recorded. That's why I had.
Hey, what's going on?
Say hey, YouTube.
Hey, YouTube, what's happening? You do videos on YouTube?
Well, this is extra for my channel. I do actually scratch off tickets. You know what I mean? That's my main thing. I just put some of my road calls up on there because my supporters like to see what I do. Oh no, that's good. Cigar, what is that? Oh,
no,
the vape? Yeah. Oh no, that don't bother me. But yeah, they like to see some road calls and stuff.
Yeah.
So I try to record whatever.
All right, cool.
All right, but I had a feeling that was when I came in there and looked at it. I mean, even when I turned this off, It's still
Yeah,
flashing.
Same thing. Yeah,
Okay.
I noticed that when I got in it.
Right.
I ain't never seen that before either. I'm like,
Well, I've noticed when they fail
Mhm.
that the power, you get no power. This one's usually unusual. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disconnect the batteries and I'll do a power down for 10 minutes. Maybe it's a glitch. That could be it.
Right.
So I'll power down for 10 minutes. That'll disconnect that for now. And we'll see what happens. We'll reconnect in 10 minutes and see if that goes away. Because sometimes they do get glitches in them.
Okay.
That's the only other thing. If it doesn't work, then it's probably going to be that power cut off because it's electronic, like I said, and you can't bypass it because it's a wire harness plug.
Right.
Yeah, it ain't like, you know, when you had the manual ones.
Yeah.
I could take that off when they failed and put it right to the battery.
Right.
You can't do that anymore. So.
If they make it shit better, they just make it worse.
Every year these trucks come out built. Yeah, you're right. They do make them
Bro,
work.
I've seen the new ones. Dog, I don't want no new truck. Like they give the drivers they've been here for a while a new truck. They swap them out.
What
I
year
don't
is
want
this
no new
one?
truck. This I don't know.
I have my reading glasses on
like
right
a 15
here.
or something.
Yeah, so this doesn't have the anti-brake system on the front, right?
I'm not sure. I haven't driven this.
In other words, if you get too close to a car, the truck brakes automatically.
It may not. But I know mine does. I hate that shit.
I'll tell you right now, it does or not.
Because these sensors will pick up anything.
No, you don't have one. This one doesn't. I don't see it unless they took it off. Usually it's right here on the front.
Yeah, like that one.
You got like
that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, my
Yeah.
truck has that. My truck's in at Freightliner right now. Transmission's going in it.
What did you do?
I ain't do that.
Let me
Girl, man.
let me guess. It's an automatic.
Of course.
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna do these batteries for 10 minutes, and we're gonna see if that takes care of the issue. So, I mean, when I took the voltage reading, it said 12.0. It was iffy, and then I looked up here. I noticed you had the key on, and you got no power to the dash. And then I looked at your power cutoff, and it's flashing. So. Oops. Hopefully it's just going to be a glitch and this will take care of the issue for now.
Now I'm gonna have to figure something out. Put me in something else. Gotta go out.
And probably what I do is I clean up these terminals a little bit too. Jesus. Yeah, that's I just powered everything down. That's why. So it clicks off. All right, so that's off right there. All right, so it's not reading. Yeah, all that stuff's running on battery power right now. Yep, there it goes. Man, this corrosion crap. Okay, so I'm gonna power down for 10 minutes, and then I'll be back with the rest. So I'll be right back. Let me see, I'm recording. Yep. Okay, so I'm back here. So it's been 10 minutes. I went ahead and cleaned all the terminals from the corrosion. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it was pretty bad. That can also, if that much corrosion, can also cause a connection issue. Not making good connection. So we're gonna see if that takes care of the problem. If that light's still flashing up on there, then that's gonna be a power. That's gonna be that power cutoff switch that's bad. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together. Tighten them down. See if that does anything. Then we'll find out if he really needs a jump start or not. Nope, the side lights ain't flashing anymore. That might be a good sign. Your markers up top lit at all? Or flashing?
No.
Okay, that might be a good sign. Because I think they were still flashing when I had the when I turned it off. They're all tight. Okay, so they're all tight. Cool. All right. All right, so it's solid light up there, but you got dash power back. Well, only the instrument cluster. Oh, there we go. Huh. I guess that usually when you turn the power on, a couple things will light up right at the beginning. All right. What's that?
I thought you were trying to start it.
I was. I just wanted to turn the key. Well, at least you got dash power back. The lights are off. Oh, clutch. I thought this was automatic. Since when you all have, since when do y'all have a manual, man? I didn't even see the clutch. So anyway, but it was in neutral anyway. But with the clutch, with the manuals and the clutches, you got to push the clutch down to the floor before you can even start the truck. Okay. This thing have idle set down?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Well, let me put this.
I think this one does.
All right. Let it run for a bit. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't know how long the truck's been sitting. Well, the batteries were idle at 12.0, so I knew it would probably have starting power unless the draw power is bad.
Yeah.
But apparently it's not, because I didn't need to jump it, right?
Right.
But let it run, because usually when I take a voltage and the batteries are fully charged, they're usually about 12.3, 12.5. Since they were 12.0, the batteries were going down a little bit. All right, so pretty much it was the corrosion connection there. The truck wasn't making good connection because all that corrosion on the terminals. Yep, so that's what it was. So it was, that'll do it. Let me get my information and then you'll be good to go. All right?
Thanks, man.
Hey, man. Thanks. All right, so that's going to do it for this one. It wasn't a jump start. It was a corrosion connection issue.
Be safe.
You too. Anyway, when you have that much corrosion on the battery terminal, especially on the positive side, and it's not making good contact, it'll make the truck run wacky like that with the electrical issue. So when I cleaned up everything with the brush and all that, put them back on there, that took care of the problem, as you all see. So it didn't need a jump start, it just was a connection issue. Bad connection issue on the positive side. Because like I said, I've never seen the power cutoff switch be blinking like that. Usually when they fail, they fail. I gotta redo my box. Anyway, just ignore that. I'll take care of it when I'm done here. Okay, so that's going to do it for this one. Like I said, it wasn't a jump start, just a connection issue because of all the corrosion on the terminal. Until I get another one, I'll see y'all in the next one.